Welcome to Ballina Beach Nature Resort. Ready to book your stay? Scan the QR code or check the description below for direct booking links and special offers. At Ballina Beach Nature Resort, your entertainment is a top priority. Imagine yourself unwinding in a vibrant bar, expertly crafted cocktails in hand, the lively atmosphere buzzing around you. It's the perfect place to mingle and create unforgettable memories. For those who love the tranquility of nature, our beautiful garden offers a peaceful escape. Stroll through lush greenery, breathe in the fresh air, and find your inner peace. The garden is an ideal spot to reconnect with nature and rejuvenate your senses. Need a cozy, relaxing space? The shared lounge area features a large TV perfect for enjoying your favorite shows or movies with friends and family. Plush seating and a welcoming atmosphere make this a great spot to unwind. We also offer convenient features like parking and express check-in to make your experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Ready to experience it all? Don't forget to scan the QR code to book your stay at Ballina Beach Nature Resort.